If you're posting AI videos and getting 10 views, maybe even less, listen up. It's not your editing, it's not the algorithm.
You're just missing one crucial formula.
This is the exact formula that top AI creators have used to go from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers in just a few weeks. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply it. And the best part? It works even if you're totally camera shy and never want to show your face. So make sure you watch all the way to the end, because I'm going to give you a free template that puts this entire system on autopilot. When I first started creating AI videos, I thought they looked so cool. The visuals were amazing, the animations were smooth, but guess what? Nobody cared. My view count was stuck in the double digits. I was frustrated and ready to quit. I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong. Why wasn't anyone watching? It's because views don't come from flashy visuals. They come from delivering real, tangible value. Once I figured that out and discovered the formula I'm about to share, everything changed. My views skyrocketed, my subscribers grew daily, and people actually started commenting on how helpful my content was. It all clicked into place. The key isn't just to make something that looks good, it's to make something that helps someone. Remember this: value always beats visuals. Let's get real for a second. Here's a harsh truth you need to accept. People are not scrolling through their feeds looking for you. I know it's tough to hear, but it's true. They're not looking for your cool new video or your fancy editing. They are scrolling for themselves. They're looking for an answer to a problem they have right now. They're searching for a solution they desperately want. They're hunting for a result they truly desire. And if your video doesn't immediately promise them one of these things, guess what happens? Swipe. They're gone. In less than a second. You've lost them, probably forever. Their attention is the most valuable currency on this platform, and you have to earn it by showing them what's in it for them. But the good news is, the formula I'm about to reveal solves this exact problem. It forces you to put the viewer first and create content they can't ignore. So, what is this secret formula? I call it the HERO formula. That's HERO. It stands for hook, emotion, result, and offer. This four-part structure is the engine behind almost every viral AI video you've ever seen. Let's break it down. First, you have the hook. This is the first 3 to 5 seconds of your video. Its only job is to stop the scroll instantly. It needs to be bold, intriguing, and directly address the viewer's interest. Next is emotion. This is where you connect with the viewer on a human level. Why should they care about what you're saying? You tap into their frustrations, their desires, their fears, or their ambitions. This creates a bond and makes them invested in watching the rest of the video. Then comes the result. This is the "what's in it for me" part. You have to paint a clear picture of the transformation or outcome they'll get by watching your video. What specific, desirable result will they achieve? Make it tangible and exciting. And finally, the offer. This isn't necessarily a sales pitch. It's the core value of your video. You offer them the exact solution, the step-by-step guide, the information they came for. You deliver on the promise you made in the hook and result. Every single viral AI video you see follows this pattern. It starts with a powerful hook, connects with a real emotion, promises a tangible result, and then delivers a clear offer. Now let's stop talking theory and actually rewrite your next video using this exact framework. Let's do a practical tutorial right now. Imagine your video topic is "Make Money Selling AI Templates." A weak, boring title would be "My AI Art Side Hustle." Nobody cares. Let's apply the HERO formula to make it irresistible. First, the hook. Instead of a boring title, we start with something that grabs attention immediately. Something like, "Stop scrolling. This one AI file earns me $50 per sale, and I'm about to show you how." See the difference? It's specific, intriguing, and makes a bold promise. Next, the emotion. We need to connect with the viewer's potential insecurities or desires. We could add, "And you can do this too, even if you have zero editing skills or feel like you're not creative." This addresses a common fear and makes the goal feel achievable for everyone. Then, the result. What's the dream outcome? Let's make it clear. Imagine setting this up once and creating a source of automated daily income that works for you while you sleep. This paints a vivid picture of the desired lifestyle and the benefit of learning this skill. Finally, the offer. This is where you deliver the goods. You say, "No fluff, no gatekeeping. I'm going to show you the exact steps to create and sell your own profitable AI templates right now." And then your video would go into the tutorial, showing them how to do it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. See how that transforms a boring idea into a must-watch video. It's all about framing your value in a way that resonates with the viewer's needs. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but what about the tools? People get so caught up in collecting a million different AI tools, but honestly, you don't need that many. It's about getting results, not hoarding software. To create videos just like the one we outlined, you really only need 3 core tools. First, for your script and your captions, use ChatGPT. It's perfect for brainstorming ideas, writing scripts using the HERO formula, and generating those catchy captions that keep people engaged. Second, for editing your video and getting all that cool B-roll footage, you can use a combination of tools like Runway, Pika, or even just CapCut. They are incredibly powerful for generating AI video clips and putting everything together. And third, for your thumbnails, which are super important, you can use DALL-E or Midjourney to generate eye-catching images, and then use a simple tool like Canva to add text and branding. That's it. Don't fall into the trap of tool collecting. Focus on the strategy, focus on the formula, and just use the simple tools you need to get the job done. Remember, your goal is to collect results, not tools. So, are you ready to put this into action? I want to help you. Comment HERO down below, and I'll personally take a look at your topic idea and help you convert it using this formula. Let's stop creating random videos that go nowhere and start creating content that delivers real results for you and your audience. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because tomorrow I'm going to be building a viral script from scratch live right here for one of you. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.